Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different crafts with different things. So at first we are making some hand checks and we'll make some more, and you can see this is almost ready, and we are making some earthworms also. Next we will use some real leaves to make a tree. We are using the leaves to make the leaf of the tree, and we are drawing the branch with the marker. Next we'll make the ground with some pieces of leaves and also some ants with the clay. Next, we are drawing a scenery on the paper with some beautiful butterflies. You can see how easy it was to make. Next, we will use some paper to make the flowers and we'll paste it to the base. Next, we will use some paper strips to make the stem of the flower, and we will use some peanut shell to make the flower complete, and we will also make a vase. You can say this is ready now. Next, we will spread some color on the paper using the straw to make the trunk and the branches of the tree. Next, we will make some beautiful flowers, and we will also add some different colors and the leaves. And you can see how good it is looking now after adding the bee. Now this is ready. Next, we will use some covers of the orange and we will paste it, and we have to cut it into the circular shape, and after pasting we will draw some faces on it with the marker, and you can see the craft is looking beautiful now. Now again we will use some clay to make some flower. We are using different color clays to make the flower, and next we will use the marker to make the branch of the tree. Now also we have added some birds, and now this is ready. Now we will make some flower on the paper. You can see how patiently we have given the lines. Next we will make the stem on the paper with the green marker, and after this we will paste the flowers to the stem, and you can see how good it is looking now. Now again we are using some clay to make different color flower, and we'll make some more of it and we'll paste it with the paper. And now the bee is very compulsory. The craft is ready to move. Next we will paste some clay on the paper which is in brown color, and we will draw some roots, and we will use the peanut shell to give it a look of potato. Next we will use the green color paper to make the leaves, and also we will make the stem with the marker. Now again we are using a brown paper and some green paper to make a bouquet. You can see how we have made the leaves. Next we will make the flowers with the clay. We will paste some different color of clay and we will paste it with the bouquet, and this is complete. Next again we are using a brown color marker to make the branch of the tree, and we are adding some pink flowers to it, and we are making some cute cartoons which will hang with the tree. You can see how cute it is looking now after decorating it. Next we will use pink color marker again, and we will draw some circular shape on the paper. After drawing it, we will make it look like a rose. Next we will make the stem, and also we will add some leaves to it, and we will make a bouquet with the tissue paper. You can see how creative it was. Next we are using some earbuds to make a flower, I guess. Yes, we are making a flower. Next we will use some clay to make the middle part, and now this is looking beautiful. Thank you very much for watching the video.